Guys, we're out here at Boulder City Pond at the kids, and we are on already. First cast, Matthew. No, bring that net. Yeah, that's a good one. Bring it down. No, bring the net. We're right here, guys. Already got one. Look, it broke somebody off before already. So we're gonna do a catch and cook for you guys today. Show you guys how to cook and clean these trout. That was literally what, Matthew? What, like less than a minute or a minute? There it is. Put them in there. Alright guys, all we are using is natural scent trout bait by Power Bait. This color right here, the specific color. The last day I came was like 2-3 days ago. Instantly, just like right now, I dropped it in there and I had one right away. So I'm using that. I'm using these hooks right here, Gamakatsu size 10. They don't gotta be exactly Gamakatsu. A lot of people like using the trebles, but I like using these because I can roll up my my Power Bait on my hook real simple and easy, and it covers up the hook nice. I'll show you guys how I do that as well. And then the weights I'm using are literally like 1/8 of an ounce. Here they are right here. Super small. Not even the size of my nail, I believe. Let's see. That's about the size of my pinky now. So that's it right there. This, that, and then let me show you guys the line I'm using. I'm using some very thin line. This is almost 6-pound trout line. The clarity on this thing, oh my gosh, man, I don't even see it sometimes. And here's the Power Bait. So literally that's all I'm using. Power Bait, size 10 hooks. Power Bait, the Absolute Clear trout line, small weight, small hooks. That's all. There it is, guys. Check it out. Here's the 5.9 Libra line right here. The small hook, size 10. The small little weight. And the swivel. So first, it's the weight. First is the weight.
Damn, who's yelling over there?
The weight's right there, nice and loose, up and down, you can see it. After that, grab the swivel, put the swivel under the weight, which is gonna stop the weight from going to the hook. Give it a few spins. I do the clinch knot. I do the clinch knot on mostly everything. It's a very good what you call a knot. It's a very good knot. There you go. There you go. That's what's up. That's what it's all about. I would really be happy if my son's calling me all excited because they caught a fish. I'll be like, what? There it is, right there. The weight, then the swivel. Now I grab the line. Grab the line. I grab about a little bit more than a foot. And it's not, this line you can barely see it, dude. It's kind of hard to work with, but works miracles. So now I'm gonna tie this line on the bottom ring of the swivel. The other tops of the swivel is already tied up where it's gonna block the weight. So now I'll grab this, make a clinch knot. You don't have to put your mouth on it. You can go ahead and just dap some water on it with your fingers from the pond or lake, wherever you're fishing. So there it is. There it is. And the last thing is the hook. This is the last thing right here. No, please don't do nothing that's gonna make me upset, please. So here you go. You grab this, do a clinch knot. Not too detailed on how to do the clinch knot. If you really need to learn how to do a clinch knot, you can look it up on YouTube. You can look it up on Google. It'll show you how to do a clinch knot. Check this out. There it is. Check that out. So it's about longer than, a little bit more than a foot. Got the weight, the swivel, got the hook all the way at the bottom. Now what I do is grab my power bait, natural trout scent. Not too much. My hook is not super big. I grab a ball. After I grab that ball, I put it from the bottom to the top of the hook. Kind of close in the hook real good. You can see that. After I do that, I grab the ball, put it here on my palm, roll it, make it look like a wax worm or something. There you go. And we throw it out there. And we're not cutting the video. We're gonna show you guys about how long will it take for them to start biting. We're gonna have my son Noah come and hold this rod and see. That throw wasn't too good. I'm gonna re-throw it. Get it out there a little bit further.
He got the fish. Sad. The little fish died.
Oh man. I guess that was better. Here, go Noah. Stand right here. And we'll see. Show us how you can. How long did it take to catch a fish? Reel it in real slow so it can be tight. A little bit tighter, Noah. Real slow, real there. Here, bring it over here. Watch out. Get over here. There's a line right here that you just left right there for no reason. Bring up the rod a little bit. That way. Oh, that's a baby. We're gonna release this one, guys. Bring it over here now. All right, put it closer to the water. So when these guys, oh, this one swallowed the hook. So grab the pliers. All right, guys, I think under an hour we got our limit. We got 9 fish, 3 each. We're about to go do the catch and cook, man. You ready, man?
Yep.
All right, guys, let's go. We'll get back on. All right, guys, so check it out. We decided to stop here at the park and do the catch and cook here.
Yep.
I got my whole little, well, we got the fish here, and I brought my whole little kitchen. This is my little cave for the little stove or whatever you want to call it. Then I got my extra butane, got some oil, got the knife to cut up the fish, the tongs to flip the fish, nice little clean towel to wipe. And this is all we're gonna season it with: trout and lemon pepper. Oh my gosh, it's unbelievable. And I forgot the pan, so what I decided to do was look around and I seen this little stove here. So what I'm gonna do is just throw it right on there. Probably just do 2 of them just so we could see how it tastes. Never cooked them on the grill, so let's check it out, guys. Stay tuned, let's get it. All right, guys, so thankfully I was able to get this pan. Got the oil in there already, heating up while I sit here and clean up my fish. So once I'm done cleaning my fish, I'll throw it right on there and it's ready to go. So next thing I gotta do is grab my fish. Got my fish here. I'm gonna get over this. Fish. Got a little bit of water from the bathroom here since I went from home. Got a trash bag here for our guts that I'm gonna take off the fish. So easy. This is how I get the fish. Sorry, I don't think you guys were able to see that. All I did was stick my knife to the part where so there's the guts, got the water. Fish and clean it out. What I did there was take out all the blood. The blood usually gives you a stronger taste of fish. Now, grab another plate, put it on top of that one, wipe my hands real quick. Dice him up a little bit. Okay. Oh, that oil is ready, guys. That oil is ready. Open up the lemon pepper. Got this from the 99-cent store, guys, for just $1. My wife liked that. She looked at me right away when I said that. All right, there it is, guys. Get ready. Look at that. Look at that. All right, guys, so it's ready to do a little flip. Get the other side going. Check that out. Y'all hear that? Finished up. Gonna get them off of here, put them on a plate, and let you guys, let my kids tell you guys how good it is or how bad it is or whatever. So, turn off the gas, turn that off. Give them half and half. Here you go, Matt. Over here. All right. Here's yours, Matt. You want some chili now, or? All right, guys. My son here, he likes chili, so we're gonna put a little bit of chili on the side so he could dip it. And Matthew's right there. All right, guys, let's see. Tell the video what's going on.
We're gonna test this fish right here.
Did just the catch and we did the cook right off the back. All right, let's go.
This is good. This is a blessing. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give this. For the spice, I want to try out the...
Without the spice?
Yeah.
Let's go. And I'm about to try it out too.
Whoa. It's actually good with both of them.
Yeah? Alright, guys. So, you guys can see, pull off the piece from here. There it is. No hot sauce. Just like that. Wow. Wow. This is seafood, hot sauce, so can't go wrong with it. Well, there it is, guys. You guys saw it. That's how we did it. That's how we do it. Easy as that. Anything else?
Thank you guys for watching these videos, and you guys could also fish at this
Pond.
See you outdoors.
See you outdoors.